Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to play Assetto Corsa with your friends on PC in 2025. Whether you're trying to race together casually or set up a proper private server, this is step-by-step guide will help you get started smoothly. Let's get right into it. First thing first, make sure everyone has Assetto Corsa installed through Steam. Also, double check that all players have the same DLCS and Scar track modes if you're planning to use any custom content. This avoids sync issues and connection errors. Now, if you just want to join a public server with your friends, go to the main and in Drive, then go to Online. From there, browse available servers. Use the filter option to My Settings or search by server name. Coordinate with your friends to join the same server at the same time. But if you're looking to create a private session for you and your friends, here's how. First, download Content Manager. This tool makes launching and managing servers way easier. Once installed, go to Content, then Server, and start setting your own lobby. Pick your track, cards, number of players, and session type, practice, qualifying, or race. Set a password so your friends can join. After saving your server version, hit Start Server. Your friends will then go to Content Manager, then go to Online, and search for your lobby. Make sure you give them the server name and password. Everyone must own the same version of the game and have the same modes or content installed to connect properly. Now, if you're not using Content Manager, you can still host manually. Go to Assetto Corsa dedicated server tool in your Steam Tools library. Configure your server through the config files, launch it, and share your public IP address with your friends. You may need to forward ports like usually 9600 up to 9700 in your router settings to allow them to connect. Finally, jump on the voice chat together. Discord is the most popular choice among racers, and enjoy the race, whether it's drifting, time attack, or wheel-to-wheel competition. Assetto Corsa became way more fun with friends. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit like the button, drop your comments with the best lap times, and subscribe so you never miss out any more gaming setup guide like this one. See you in the next one.